Hannah-zhongfeng-mechanical Technology Company, Limited, was founded in 1998 and is located in the center of Beijing-Tianjin-Shongan, adjacent to National Highway 106 and Beijing-Kowloon Railway. It covers an area of more than 130 acres and has a factory area of 36,000 square meters. The company currently has more than 200 employees, including more than 40 professional researchers, more than 49 after-sales service personnel, and 16 senior management personnel. The company is a technology-based enterprise dedicated to the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of high-speed blown film machines, high-speed bag-making machines, fully automatic bundling machines, plastic extruders, and MIC control systems. The company has advanced production and processing equipment, strong technical strength, and a complete production management system. We have over 50 sets of CNC milling composite equipment from Japan's Mazak, Germany's DMG, and the United States Haas, as well as more than 20 large machining centers and 3 high-power laser cutting machines from Dazu. In 2015, strategic partnerships were established with world-renowned companies such as Ozark, Demiage, SMC, and Yadiki. The product always adheres to the design concept of maximizing efficiency and humanization, constantly innovating to create more benefits and lower costs for customers. Over the years, a large number of scientific research achievements have been created. We have over 20 invention patents and more than 40 utility model new patents. Known as a technology-based small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei Province, a member of the first council meeting of Hebei Packaging Industry Chamber of Commerce, a member of Hebei Xiongxian Packaging Printing Association, and registered trademarks Zhongfeng, Lingfeng, and Zongkexin. Over the past decade, our products have been selling well in the domestic market and also exported to countries and regions such as Russia, Southeast Asia, South America, and Africa. The company's products are easy to operate, easy to maintain, technologically advanced, reliable in quality, and highly automated. While saving labor costs, they greatly improve production efficiency and are a trusted partner for plastic film enterprises. The company provides excellent after-sales service and complete supply of accessories to better ensure the normal production of customers. The company strives to manage and improve the quality of its employees, creating a good reputation and word of mouth, and is affectionately praised by customers as a leader in the industry. The company stands out among numerous star enterprises, blooming brilliantly and bearing fruitful results. On September 18, 2015, the first new product exhibition of Lingfeng Plastic Machinery Zhongfeng Technology was successfully held. The company will adopt the business philosophy of great beauty and sincerity, adhere to the belief that excellence comes from professionalism, have the whole world in view, to fearlessly move forward in order to establish the unique enterprise of Yan and Zhao people. Director Wang Genla of the company regards poverty alleviation, caring for vulnerable groups, and contributing to society as an unshirkable responsibility. Since its establishment, the company has donated millions of yuan to surrounding villages and towns. On July 21, 2016, a large-scale public welfare event called Heart for Tongxing was held, donating 1 million yuan of materials to the disaster area. The company's new equipment is constantly innovating to improve customer needs, and the durability of the equipment has been doubled. From 2016 to 2024, the company successfully held 5 new product exhibitions, attracting groups of users from all over the country, allowing customers to enjoy great preferential treatment. The company always puts the interests of customers first, considers their career development, strives for annual innovation, and continues to hold new product promotion meetings, which have been recognized and appreciated by domestic and foreign customers. In this short period of time, the company has achieved great events of putting people first, considering employees, and benefiting customers one by one, with the joint efforts of all employees, working together with one heart and one mind. Working hard, working together, striving with all our might, developing and reaching out to the international community, and working hand in hand with our customers to create brilliance. Sincerely welcome domestic and foreign users to visit, guide, and explore business opportunities together. Professionalism forges quality. Integrity leads the future.